Hello, I'm just going to share with you guys a simple and quick way to retouch a color between your last visit in the salon during this challenging time that we're going through. Everything I'm going to show you is what I'm actually supplying in the kit, which are the gloves, 4 clips, your products, which is your color, and actually a shampoo and conditioner as well. So what I'm going to actually do is just part your hair down the middle, and part it from center, from top of the ear to the top of the ear, the other side. Take your section and just kind of, if your hair's long enough, just twist it, just to get some of that long hair out of the way. Twist it and clip it away. You can just simply do a regular clip, or you can just twist it all the way up, just to remove it, whichever way is easier for you. And just pin it so it's out of your way. Again, do the same thing in the back. Just part it down the middle, in the back. Take the hair, twist it. And just clip it. And just makes just easy access to whatever section you're going to be working on. What I'd like to do next is take your color and developer, mix them together. Completely mix these guys together. Then you're just going to drop your section down. Doesn't matter which side you start. Start applying the color from the new growth, center parting. Use your brush as a tail comb and reapply and work your way down. Again, this is just a root touch-up, so all you're really concerned about yourself with is just the roots. There's no need for you to pull the color all the way through, and you don't have to worry about the color not matching, because again, this is the exact color that we used with your last visit. Now, if your hair is shorter, you don't necessarily have to lay the hair like I'm doing now, but you could just, if it's shorter, just part it and apply, and just work your way down. If it's long or something within this length, just apply just the way I am now. And just make sure you saturate the section that you're applying the color to. Once you complete that first section, make sure you saturate the hairline. Drop that down, move on to your next section, and repeat the same thing. And just keep. It's easy just to try to create a nice, easy slice with their brush. But then just try to make a nice, even section if you can. It's not a must. The main thing is that you saturate your new growth. Keep working all the way down to the temple. All the way down to the bottom of your hair, about a ear. Once you complete that, you can part it back down the center, just drop it down, and then start working on your back panels. Start at the top of the head, apply it to that entire section what I suggest is just pull it forward. Just keep working. Again, just try not to make the sections too thick. And let's say about a 1/4 inch wide each section that you're slicing through. Just enough to make sure the hair is actually receiving the color that you're applying. And I'll show you the blue in the back as well. Just taking it and just working it all the way down. All the way down to the hairline. Once you complete that section, just move that out of the way. Drop your last panel down and repeat the same thing. And just focusing on the new growth. You don't need to pull it through. You're just retouching your new color, your new section of hair that's grown in. Keep going. The color process itself is 30 minutes once you complete applying the color. So you can just go around your house and do whatever you need to do while the color is actually developing on your hair. If you have any excess around your hairline, you can just use a towel, probably a black towel if you have one, just wipe off any excess that's down on your forehead. I'll show you what I mean by that. All right, so now that we actually have it completed, just check it to make sure it's saturated all the way around. Just gonna spin my lady around. I suggest let's go over the hairline again, just to make sure that's completely saturated around your forehead. And that's pretty much it. So let it sit for 30 minutes. Once it's done, rinse it completely, and then shampoo with the shampoo conditioner that I provided with the kit. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, you can just give me a text or give me a shout. All right, guys, good luck.